Hello everyone, my name is Bree and welcome to Documented Journey. So today I wanted to kind of share with you a collage cover. I did this for my friend Robin. She is on Instagram. I'll leave her in the description box. But we are collaging covers for each other. And so this is the one I did for her. And I enjoyed it so much that I am actually going to do one for myself that's kind of like its sister cover, if that makes any sense. So if you want to see me collage a sister cover, then just keep watching. Before I get started, I wanted to mention that this is a Tomo River notebook that I have in my shop. You can get them as inserts, and yeah, this is how they come, just like this, with the little logo on the bottom. And I'm going to collage on the top of that. I have picked out a few stickers and I want it to be pretty similar. So I really loved these stickers, and this is done by Rachel. Her name is Rachel, and the Critter Co. is her Instagram name. I'll leave that in the description box for you, but I thought they were really cute, and so I wanted to kind of add them to the I wanted that to be the focal point on the front. This is a dandelion sticker. I love dandelions. If you know me at all, if you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I post about dandelions. But this is actually from my friend Kat, and I will have her stuff listed in the description box. I talk about her all the time. And then this is from Studio Katie. I also love her as well. And then these are mine. These are actually my summer sheet that I created last year. And then this is the paper that I used. I got it, I think from Hobby Lobby, from the paper studio. So that is what I'm going to be using today, and we'll kind of figure it out. I use the same technique where I put one sticker as the focal point, I throw a couple on the back, and that's pretty much how all this unfolds. So that's what we're going to do. so I got this lovely package from my friend Robin for my birthday. So I was gonna open it up for you guys. She packaged everything so nice. I'm so excited. Okay, so this isn't part of the birthday. We did like an exchange where we collaged the covers. You will be seeing my collage of that cover soon, but that is what this is. So I'm gonna set this aside for a second. Okay, so she gave me one of these pieces of paper. I really liked it when I was putting my journal number 5 together, and I told her that I really wanted a piece of it because she has a few of them. I really wanted a piece of it with this yellow flower on it. I really like that. So she gave me, look, I got a lot of yellow flower, so I'm really excited. So I can use this for other journal covers or even journaling cards. We'll probably see me make those. Okay. Happy birthday, Bree. Hope your wildest dreams come true. Stay awesome, Robin. That's so cute. I'm gonna save that. And this twine I will most likely save and use for something else as well. Yeah. My kids are here watching me do this. So I got a washi tape card with all these different washies, which are so cute. I can't wait to use them, and they are healthy samples. Thank you. It'll take me a while to get through them, so that's exciting. A green bag. I wonder how she decided on that color.
She knows you like green.
She does know I like green. Some washi tape. You are magic. That's really cool. Plant veil. I like that a lot. I'm excited to try that. This little envelope. Ooh, they're like Polaroids. That's so cool. One has like the holographic look, and then the other one is matte, but is the ocean. My son wants the bag. Inside, Mountain Magic sticker sheets, Animal Crossing plant sticker sheet, and Plant Veil washi tape.
Animal Crossing?
Yeah.
Let's
see.
Hey, Mommy.
Ooh.
Animal Crossing!
That's so cool.
Yeah.
I like Animal Crossing, and it's even better because the Animal Crossing characters, guess what they are?
What?
They're pots, and plants come out of their head.
We
I
know.
love it. I absolutely love it. And I love these. You want this? I love these stickers because they're so thin, but they're still like vinyl, I think, maybe. I don't know. Okay, and this. I hope you like this cover. I have been saving the bird image for a while, for over a year, waiting for a special place to use it. It looked right here, and there's an open spot for your number too. Aww. Okay, let's see. So again, this is the exchange that we did. It's technically not, I'm gonna rip this. It's technically not for my birthday. I gave her one too. I'm excited. I can kind of see through there. Ooh, cool. I absolutely love it. It kind of actually looks like my style and her style combined. So that's really cool. I'm so excited. I love it. Thank you, Robin. We exchanged an MD notebook, a traveler's notebook paper. So, oh my gosh, I can't wait to use that, and I can put my number here. So cool.
You can have the red one.
Yeah, you can keep that. I'm so excited. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, I'll see ya.